Hi everyone, today I'm going to be playing Minecraft Survival Peaceful. We're going to be building a house to survive. I think I'm going to build it right over here. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm just going to mine these pieces of wood and I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do first. So first I'm going to make a crafting table and a wooden pickaxe, and then probably just dig down to my stone because I can't see any caves nearby. So then when I dig up some stone, I'll make some stone tools and a furnace, and then I'll start to cook some food. So that's my plan for today's video. Right now I'm just making some wood planks to make a crafting table and some sticks. Then I'm going to make a wooden pickaxe like I told you guys, and then I'm just gonna see if I can find a cave actually. I'm just looking around to see. Oh, I found an apple, that's cool. That'll be my useful apple. Will be my trusty apple, I think. So then, oh, here's a sheep, that'll be good for getting food. And I'm just gonna dig down, I think. I can't find a cave, I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna dig down. Maybe make some stone out so I can at least get out of the house, because I do need to, well, it's not the house, get out of the cave, and then I'm gonna make some stone tools when I get some stone. Yeah, I'm just gonna not worry about the stand now. I'm just gonna dig down. Just dig straight down. Then I'm gonna mine some stone. Now I'm gonna mine some stone and get some, and then after I'm gonna build up to the crafting table, make a furnace and some stone tools, start to kill some animals and then use them for food, and then that's pretty much the video over. And then in the next video I'll probably make a house, and I'll make like a very small house, and then I'll be probably going to find a cave for myself so I can at least find myself a cave. So now I'm just gonna craft some stuff. I'm gonna craft a sword, maybe some more sticks, pickaxe, axe, and then a furnace. I'm gonna place my furnace right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go get some animals. The animals are I can't see any animals. I saw a sheep, over here, yeah. Here's the sheep. And if you jump and then attack, it'll actually make it easier for you to kill animals. It does more damage. Yeah, I didn't do it with that pig. And I can actually one-hit a chicken. If you're trying to hunt down chickens and you think they can't, if you even just hit it with a stone sword, you can kill it. Now I'm going to make some cooked pork chop, and then that's today's video. Bye.